this video, we learn English and Indonesian. Learn English and Indonesian. Belajar bahasa Inggris dan bahasa Indonesia. Where do you work? Where do you work? Di mana kamu bekerja? Di mana kamu bekerja? Where are you from? Where are you from? Kamu berasal dari mana? Kamu berasal dari mana? Where do you live? Where do you live? Di mana kamu tinggal? Di mana kamu tinggal? Where do you go to school? Where do you go to school? Di mana kamu sekolah? Di mana kamu sekolah? Where were you born? Where were you born? Di mana kamu dilahirkan? Di mana kamu dilahirkan? Where have you been? Where have you been? Kemana saja kamu? Kemana saja kamu? Kamu kemana saja? Kamu kemana saja? Where is Rudy? Where is Rudy? Di mana Rudy? Di mana Rudy? Where does your sister live? Where does your sister live? Di mana saudara perempuan kamu tinggal? Di mana saudara perempuan kamu tinggal? Where should we eat? Where should we eat? Di mana seharusnya kita makan? Di mana seharusnya kita makan? Where is your home? Where is your home? Di mana rumahmu? Di mana rumahmu? Where do you put my bag? Where do you put my bag? Di mana kamu letakkan tasku? Di mana kamu letakkan tasku? Where do we meet? Where do we meet? Di mana kita jumpa? Di mana kita jumpa? Where do we meet? Di mana kita jumpa? Where do you want to have lunch? Where do you want to have lunch? Di mana kamu mau makan siang? Di mana kamu mau makan siang? Where were you Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Di mana kamu kemarin? Di mana kamu kemarin? Where was the meeting? Where was the meeting? Di mana pertemuannya? Di mana pertemuannya? Where does she go? Where does she go? Dia perempuan pergi kemana? Dia perempuan pergi kemana? Where will you be tomorrow? Where will you be tomorrow? Di mana kamu akan berada besok? Di mana kamu akan berada besok? Where are we going? Where are we going? Kita akan pergi kemana? Kita akan pergi kemana? Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Terima kasih sudah menonton.